For people in the Redbird area of Dallas, Parkland Hospital has moved in, bringing primary health care to Redbird Mall. And that facility is renamed in honor of an African-American medical pioneer. Fox 4's Sean Rabb reporting live at Redbird Mall tonight. Hi, Sean.
Hey, Clarice, good to see you. So this is the new Parkland facility here that's being renamed after Dr. Charles Victor Roman. He practiced here late 1800s, early 1900s, but this is bringing quality health care to the Redbird area, not only to the Redbird area, but also it's part of the improving health of a one-time very sick Redbird Mall.
Parkland is thrilled to celebrate with you the naming of this clinic, the Dr. Charles Victor Roman Clinic.
Charles Victor Roman practiced in Dallas from 1893 to 1904. More than a local doctor, his medical mind respected across the country.
Roman was a pioneer of the African-American healthcare community who spoke out against racial injustice and urged people of all races and ethnicities to work together.
That working together spirit brought a Parkland primary care facility to the Redbird Mall. Neighborhoods around the mall cited in the county's healthcare assessment as one area medically underserved in a county with healthcare challenges. 34% of Dallas County residents are low income. 27% of adults in the city of Dallas have no health insurance. And there's a north-south disparity in life expectancy.
But in Dallas, Texas, people who live south of I-30 live 23 years less than people who live north.
The Dr. C.V. Roman Clinic brings the county hospital to the community.
It really is a testament to the power of philanthropy and certainly our public dollars coming together to ensure that more individuals have access to health care, high quality health care.
The clinic and UT Southwestern are already in the mall, in the space once occupied by Dillard's. Children's Medical Center will soon open offices here as well, making health care the new anchor to Redbird Mall's new life.
So the whole idea here has always been to convert what used to be 100% retail into a mixed-use development.
That includes a mid-rise residential community. Peter Brodsky bought Redbird Mall 7 years ago. What used to be anchor stores converted to professional buildings.
The entire second floor of the mall is offices. We've got over 1,600 people coming to work here every day.
Where the people are, restaurants and retail have come as well. An economic booster shot in Redbird's renaissance.
And it is now turning into a real live, work, play environment with more to come.
So this fresh idea of anchoring a mixed-use development with medical facilities, health care for a community to ensure foot traffic is being called a model for the nation as other cities look at ways to put health care, Clarice, into neighborhoods that have been underserved medically, as well as at the same time bringing rehabilitation back to business.